Peace and love, family. So, we're trying to make money, right? How do we do this? If you're new, let's just go back to the basics. First of all, you're already chanting Shreem Brzee, right? Which is a mantra that, attracts wealth, prosperity, money. When you chant it, when you write it, when you listen to it. If you're going to chant it, if you're going to write it in red ink. Red reinforces a sense of urgency to the universe. Tells the universe, hey, hurry up with my manifestations and my affirmations and whatever I'm writing down, trying to attract. It speeds it up, as opposed to other colors, right, that are slower. So red emits that red light, red energy, speeds things up. That's why they do certain rituals, spells, and all that in Dragon's Blood, because that red energy, that red light. So we're doing Shreem Brzee, we're writing it, chanting it, and listening to it. We're making money that way. What's the other ways? We need to make ours. So we got Shreem Brzee, and then we have the principle of pranic healing there, right? By my teacher, Grandmaster Chalkok Sui, which is, he, taught us, and showed us and proved to us that your basic chakra controls your ability to make money, located at the base of your spine, your tailbone, right? We actually call that your prosperity center. So the bigger and stronger and healthier your basic chakra is, the bigger and stronger and healthier your bank account is. So how do we get the basic chakra bigger and stronger and healthier? Right? It's a chakra. What makes your aura and your chakras bigger? Exercise does. Exercise naturally cleanses the chakras, right? Because it's constant expansion and contraction of the chakras. So it's pretty much like you're pumping out all that dirty, used up energy, and then fresh prana is, it's grabbing fresh prana from the universe, so your chakras are getting bigger just from exercising. So the chakras and aura, your energy body gets bigger just from exercise alone, right? Chakras get bigger, right? You're pulling down a whole bunch of, energy, right, when you're exercising. Twin Hearts meditation. Twin Hearts meditation, when you're doing Twin Hearts, you're blessing the entire earth with golden white light, right, and with love. All that is divine spiritual energy coming down from God, right? God and your higher soul, that energy is passing through you and going into the earth. So, in turn, that divine spiritual energy, right, you're blessing the entire earth. One, you're sending love and light to every being on the planet in existence, right? Because, you say, oh, bless every person, every being in every direction. Snuck in there is you're blessing every soul in the entire universe. So that requires a massive amount of energy. So a whole bunch of divine spiritual energy is passing through you while you're the channel, you're the instrument, you're just a pipeline of healing during Twin Hearts. It's pretty much a healing session on the entire universe, every soul. You're literally blessing every soul. There's a whole lot of good karma generated from that, right? That's another, side of, just another aspect that's helping you make a lot of money, right? You generate a lot of good karma. Two, that energy passing through you cleanses out your chakras and your aura. So you just being the channel of energy and channel of blessing, right? What they say, it is in blessing that we are blessed. So you doing Twin Hearts every day, you constantly blessing and blessing and blessing and blessing the earth with divine spiritual energy, golden white light. Your chakras and your aura gets cleaned out and bigger and stronger. So all that energy passing through you, your chakras absorb it, get cleaned out, and get bigger and bigger and bigger. You keep doing Twin Hearts every day, boom, your chakras stay big and keep getting bigger. So boom, your basic chakra gets big. So in turn, just by doing Twin Hearts, you start to make more money, right? So exercise, Twin Hearts, and Shreem Brzee, family. This is where the prosperity healing series came from. I was working on, people, and I know this. So I'm like, oh, the basic chakra, right? And every time I would work on somebody and do their basic chakra, right, and heal that, they would make money afterwards, even if it wasn't what they planned on, asking for the healing session. So that's where, came up with the prosperity healing series, because I can heal people, heal people through videos or whatever on my first account that got banned. And then a bunch of people were commenting, hey, my back pain's gone, back pain's gone, back pain's gone. So I was like, I can heal people through videos. So I was like, I can help people make money through videos as well. So put the whole series together where I can heal your basic chakra, right? If you just get the prosperity healing series, right? That and the money manifestation bootcamp is cleaning out that basic chakra, making it bigger, stronger, and healthier to a massive degree very quickly. That's why people are making a lot of money from these programs. So those are the ways we make money, family. If you're new, just a reminder, why are we making all this money, right? We're spiritual. We got to be practical about saving the planet. The more money that you have, the more people you can help. All those bags of rice that we want to send to these third world countries and feed the world and feed the hungry, all those bags of rice got a price tag on it. So the more money you have, the more people you can help. And one soul at a time, you know. We're going to change this planet one soul at a time, you know what I mean? So let's get it, family.